This is day 2 of building our pantry. The first day we worked for like 7 hours non-stop and everybody was tired. So today, more rain and more tools and one more friend. This is Chauncey. Hi, Chauncey.
Hi.
Tell us what you do.
Well, I do everything. I'm a Renaissance man.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Okay, so today you're gonna help us and together with Paul to build our pantry.
Don't put the red yet.
Oh, don't put them on yet. Okay. All right.
The other side of the wall is up. Now it's standing against the wall flush. That's the purpose of it. And then the other side, the same thing. And we have 4 studs right here. So basically 2 king studs.
We used a hammer drill to drill into the concrete to put the anchor bolts down. We pound the anchor bolts down into the concrete, and then when you tighten the nuts, they open and expand to lock into the concrete.
Okay. And then we did the
One over
same
here
thing.
and one on the other
to
side of
over
the door.
here. Because the door always jam and open and close, so we
Slamming and
want to.
banging and shaking, it's vibration over time.
Yes.
So we want
So
Make sure.
if you feel this right here, this is about as solid as you'll ever feel anything. It
Okay.
doesn't move at all.
All right, perfect. Now we are preparing for the drywall.
Can't do that one though.
No, that one's a little
Okay,
tight.
that was already done toenails, okay.
Yeah.
Keep this
Okay, go down. About there.
This? Stop, stop. Okay, so why don't we go ahead and put one right here? Right here.
All right, so it doesn't move the other way.
Yeah.
You're right.
Now we can move.
Okay. Just go this way with it.
Okay, buried. Okay. All right,
This one?
here. Oh, I got one. Sorry. Good. Okay.
Now we're putting the drywall on. Another drywall is up. We're now putting in the insulation. Oh, this fits perfectly.
Well, they're kind
kinda
of
squeeze it
made
in.
to fit
Yeah.
this size.
They're
That's
made
why
to
we
fit the
put the
16-inch
beams.
studs.
Oh.
That's why we do the beams every 16 inches.
Oh.
Yeah.
Makes it a little easier.
It does. Yep, the beams should always be 16 inches
Yeah.
apart.
16.
Unfortunately,
Yeah, they're not.
that's not always the
Yeah.
case.
Sure, no problem. I'll get that done today.
Oh, where am I at here?
Yeah, that's good.
You're doing a
This is
cut.
all wood. See, this is all wood.
Gotcha. Yeah, you're.
King studs.
You can already tell we're gonna be out before we get to the door.
Yeah.
Yes.
The door has to be too. Okay. All the installations in, drywall's on. Next is door time.
A flush, okay. All right.
Looks like it.
Okay, another 6 hours and the pantry is almost finished. So we got the door on. And we'll continue the rest another day.